Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A41. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So firstly let's open the camera. And now let's start with the mode. As you can see right here, we've got photo mode, food mode, panorama, video and more. In more we've got pro mode and live focus. Let's start with photo mode and check zoom. Firstly, we can zoom in 10 times and we can zoom out 0.5 times. Then we can enable or disable scene optimizer, timer between 2, 5 and 10 seconds. We can change aspect ratio and enable filters. Also, we can enable flashlight and change brightness level of our photo. Then, in food mode, we can scan our food and enhance it. Then we've got panorama mode. Video mode, which we can, of course, zoom in 10 times and zoom out 0.5 times. Similar to photo mode, we can enable flashlight, change aspect ratio, enable filters, and add some face charts and makeups, something like this. Let's go to more, where we've got pro mode with adjustable ISO, white balance, and exposure. In here we can also set metering, change aspect ratio, resolution, and that's all. Let's go to settings. And in settings we can enable or disable scene optimizer, QR code scan. Maybe let's go to the photo mode and now to the settings, because now we've got access to more settings, like swipe shutter button to Edge 2, and from here we can select to take burst shots and create GIF. Also we can enable or disable hide pictures, change video size and resolution, enable high efficiency video, auto HDR, pictures as previewed, grid lines, location tags. We can change volume, key control, enable floating shutter button and show palm, keep settings to keep for camera mode, selfie angle and filters, and also we can add watermark. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.